I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like all the right, baby, I'm arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can't keep no conflict with you, what can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my thug and I can't take this having love. I've been out, baby, baby reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing, you know, wishing was different what it was.
Hey y'all, today I'm installing this $60 wig off of Amazon. It came in the color mocha and it's a lace synthetic wig, so it comes with a lace front that you can pluck and stuff like that. Y'all can see I was struggling trying to take it out, so I just decided to just rip it open. But this is how the wig looks when it comes out the package. Real nice, the curls are there. I love it.
I bite my tongue, it's a bad habit. Kinda mad that I didn't take a step back. Thought you were too good for me, my dear. Never gave time to pay, my dear. It's okay, things happen for reasons that I think are sure. Yeah, I wish I knew. I wish I knew you.
So now I'm plucking the wig, y'all. You don't really have to pluck it that much because I didn't do that much plucking, and it looks pretty good. If y'all want to do all that, y'all can. I just didn't feel the need to. I just didn't want to mess it up, honestly. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But I'm trying to show y'all better angles of me plucking it. I'm sorry, y'all. So y'all, now I'm adding my foundation onto the wig like I do in all my other wig videos that I have on this channel. Y'all go check them out. But yeah, now I'm spraying some Got To Be glue spray so it holds the makeup on the lace. And now I'm adding makeup to my ball cap. If y'all want a ball cap video, comment down below and I could show y'all how I do my ball cap. I don't really like how I do it. I'm trying to learn new ways how to do it, but it's not working.
Good for me, my dear. You come back to me, my dear. It's okay, things happen for reasons that I can't ignore. Yeah, I wish I knew you wanted me. I wish I knew. I wish I knew you wanted me. Yes. Gemini, I'm everywhere, I'm cross-eyed. Now that you're back, I can decide. If I decide you're invited, you always knew the way to wow me. Fuck around, get tongue-tied. I turn it on, I make it rowdy. Then carry on, but I'm not hiding.
So y'all, for this part, I don't know why I didn't add lace glue onto my head. I don't know. I was just really excited that I got the wig because I came from work tired and I just wanted to do the wig. So that's what I'm doing. But I don't know why I didn't glue it. Y'all see me later on. Y'all see me go over it with the lace glue that I should have just used to begin with. But it's whatever.
I pull up, jump out the bed. Bad bitch in the airfare. Photo goofy got a hatch. On his hands, I might crash that. Car got gadget, my bitch got ass. Expensive glasses like I'm teaching classes. Too afraid to take out the trash. Afraid to where's my cash. I always stay with a sash.
So y'all, right now I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna style my hair. I found this one girl on TikTok. She did this real cute half up, half down type situation with this synthetic wig, and that's what I'm going to do in the video. You see me trying to do a side part and then a middle part, but then I ended up doing what I was originally planning to do. I don't know why I didn't just do it. Y'all see me, I went on my phone to go look at the hairstyle to see if I liked it or not. And I was asking my boyfriend if he liked it too, but that's what I ended up doing.
I got her from my cousin, so what, cause we don't love her. Fuck that, I wanna hear from the back. Back was smoking his fat, stretching like I got a set. I pull up, jump out the bed. Bad bitch in the air fat. Photo cookie got a hatch. On his ass, I might crash that.
Left out the pilot tenant. Don't touch your water chillin'. I'm picking your quarter ticket. Had to grind smart to get it. Limited exclusive edition. They waiting in line to get it. Down to your time, I did it. I didn't get a dime a visit. I been had the sauce and drippin'. 4 out of pot the pitchin'. My car just lost the ceiling. My girl just lost the feeling. Gucci getting richer than riches. Bitches say Gucci still did it. She just did her ass in the tennis. Was skin on her face cause she pretty. I tell her, gone, like the road runner. My stash on phone number. Hope get the wrong number. I'm stacking all winter. I'm stunting all summer. And I need a grown woman. Cause I got grown money. Wow.
The money go where I go. Smoking on gelato. Foreign car, swerving pothole. Bad bitch, she from Chicago. She freaky, she gon' bust. She think it fuck on lust. I got her from my cousin, so what, cause we don't love her. Fuck that, I wanna hear from the back. Back was smoking his fat, stretching like I got a sack. I pull up, jump out the bed. Bad bitch in the air fat. Photo cookie got a hatch. On his ass, I might crash that.
So I'm getting ready to hot comb the top, and make sure you use heat protectant while using heat on your synthetic, especially your synthetic wigs. Just make sure you're using heat protectant on everything that you do with your hair, because you don't want to mess it up. So that's why y'all saw that wig out. Heat protectant, it smells really great and it works really well. You don't need that much heat protectant at all either. You just need 1 spritz. Even 1 spritz was a lot for just that small section I was doing. So y'all, I'm using rubber bands for my ponytail because it's way easier to take out. All you have to do is take a razor blade or some scissors or something and cut the rubber band, and the hair is free. Especially with these synthetic wigs and how it's up like this, it's going to be a little harder to take them out because it's going to get tangled with the hair. So that's why I like using rubber bands. I made sure to go with a second one just in case if one of them snaps, that I have, like, it's still being able to be held. So yeah, I'm just getting ready to cut off the ends to make it into a bob. I saw other girls with the same exact wig cut it, and it looked real nice with the bob. So I'm just combing it out to like make the curls look nice. I should have waited to curl it out. I mean, not curl, but like to comb it out, because I don't really like how it worked. But these scissors right here, I wasted my money on them because they like you'll see later on probably, I went and used different scissors because these were so dull, and they're literally barber scissors, but it's whatever.
What's left of us? What's left of our lives? It's only you, it's only me.
lace. I wanted to get like real close to like the hairline, but not too close. Y'all saw, like I was trying, but like not trying to like cut some of the hair off, which they say, oh, it's okay to cut some hair off, but most of the hair like at the top was already up and I didn't want to mess that up, so I just left it. Here's a real time of me cutting the lace. I had sped the other clips up, but this is how slow you should be going while cutting the lace, trying to make sure that you get everything and everything looks nice. See, y'all see right there? I could have cut a little bit more lace off. I don't know why, but yeah, I was supposed to.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the half. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. You said it's gonna even last. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. You know I won't do that. I'm sorry I said that, you know what I mean? Yeah. Swear the fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the paddock and you think a nigga blowing time. Is your blood? What we see ain't what it seems or feels, girl. What is love? What's the matter, love?
So I'm taking some Pump It Up's spritz spray. It's kind of like Got To Be Glue spray. I saw on TikTok and stuff like that, girls using it. Not this exact same one, but it was like a different one. It was in a green bottle, I think. They said that one works really well to like melt the lace and make it look more scalp. So I thought that's what this one would do. But y'all could kind of see it still don't. But after I've been wearing it for a couple days, it's looking more natural the day as I go by every day. So y'all, whenever I do edges, I like going for like this, like kind of disconnected. I'll put a couple pictures up, but I like how it looks. That's why y'all see me plucking like any like little small hairs that you can see, because I want you to be able to like tell the difference between the edges and stuff. But whenever I cut my edges, I make sure I cut low enough to make my decisions before I like mess up the edges. So y'all see me using some mousse at first, but I end up going back with some edge control because the mousse didn't hold the hair. I don't know if it's because I didn't flat iron it or whatever, but mousse didn't hold it.
Get in your car, just put on your fashion, follow the Hershey. You say you gon' rap, cause somebody gon' die, they fold us. Turn a 5 to a dime, and double up. Fuck around, rockin' trips on my double. Put this shit that have it on brand, I give it up. Tight to stay with a wood, ain't gon' give it up. No, I ran through a mill every week off a weed. Bro, beat the try, give me some stick, got it back in the pick up. I won't even leave, run it up, fuck around, get it vetted, GT. Keep a hot boy with me, I got love for PG. Chasing his paper since 12 or 13, running around in these streets, he with me and my keys. First turn nigga from the hood, they fierce. Boys crying about 5 and cheer. I get the colors with number this beard. I got your pen, won't put on the mirror. First young nigga in the 82 man, run a 14 mil, started 14 grams. Dope boy tickets and diamonds. Man, you should play with that boy, he is not one of them. I kept taking his finally got me.
So hey guys, so this is how the hair came out. I really like it. It's really soft. It's really pretty. I love this color. I really thought I was not gonna like the color, but I really love it. Hope y'all enjoyed this little watch me do this wig video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.